Digital Experience Score provides a comprehensive insight into the digital experience of your employees. Using DEX Score helps you identify and improve areas to enhance your employees' digital experience across the organization. You gather metrics from end-user devices, user sentiment, and service desk experience. Using the DEX Score dashboard, we get a high-level overview of employee digital experience across the organization. We can select different views, time periods, and locations to view metrics, and review the scores of monitored devices on different widgets. This provides insight into device health, user sentiment, and service experience related to devices. We can even track and drill down into the quantitative and qualitative data of a device group's metrics to understand employee experiences with specific device types. This helps us identify areas where device experience needs improvement. Similarly, we can track application experience scores to understand how employees are experiencing work applications. With metric definition configuration, we can customize the base system score metric definitions as per our business needs, helping us focus on the metrics that are the most relevant to our organization. Define qualitative mapping for DEX score metrics according to business needs by setting normalized scores for qualitative values. We could also update the survey configuration to identify the recipients, method, and timing for sending the DEX score surveys. DEX Score empowers organizations to gain comprehensive insight into employee digital experience through data analysis and customization, enabling proactive improvements for a more productive digital workplace. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.